I cried on your shoulder about him and him. You listened to every story, every whim. I told you my secrets, I showed you my scars. You were my best friend, looking at the stars. And now you hold my hand and ask for my heart. But I'm freezing up, I don't know where to start. You know all my failures, you know my mess. How can you love me? I must confess, I told you